Eggs have become the ultimate versatile kitchen staple. They're the perfect start to the day and a crowd favorite on brunch menus. The options to cook this breakfast fix are endless. They can be scrambled quickly, fried to perfection, or even showcased as a perfect French omelette or Denver omelette. And who says we can't have eggs for dinner? But the pans you choose to cook the eggs in are as important as the quality of the eggs themselves. With the right pan, you can make the fluffiest scrambled eggs that have a curd-like texture and perfectly gooey omelettes that will bring you joy. The right kind of pan helps you cook your dishes quickly and makes for an easy cleanup afterward. Here are the best egg pans to help you enjoy this breakfast staple.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Viking Culinary Professional 5-ply Stainless Steel Non-Stick Fry Pan. The Viking 5-ply Professional is our top choice for a great, versatile pan since it can be used on multiple cooking surfaces including an induction cooktop, featuring an ergonomically designed, stay-cool handle, high-end 5-ply construction, and a 500-degree Fahrenheit oven-safe build. This professional quality pan is built to last. Handcrafted in the United States, it's designed for maximum heat transfer and low energy usage. There's also the non-stick coating for super easy release, which will help your omelettes slide out from the pan cleanly. Although the pan is dishwasher safe, the manufacturer recommends washing by hand. Number 2, Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. The relatively new kid on the block, Caraway makes high-quality cookware coated with non-stick ceramic enamel instead of Teflon. Not only are these pans absolutely gorgeous and fun, but they are also super easy to cook in and clean. The Caraway fry pan is made of aluminium and features a stainless steel base and cool-to-the-touch handle for an even distribution of heat. You can expect uniformly cooked pancakes with equal browning, and you'll get a nice sear on meats despite it being non-stick. Plus, your eggs will slide right off. This pan is totally oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can completely cook and finish a dish in the oven with this pan. Available in 6 beautiful colors, it's easy to choose the right shade to add a pop of color to your kitchen. Number 3, HexClad 8-inch Hybrid Stainless Steel Frying Pan. The HexClad 8-inch Hybrid Pan is a quality, versatile pan that you can cook anything in. Whether you're perfecting French omelettes, sorting veggies, or cooking a crisp seared fish, this pan will handle it with ease. While not technically a non-stick pan, HexClad's patented laser etching design creates a series of stainless steel peaks and non-stick valleys, meaning you can safely use metal spatulas, put it in the dishwasher for cleaning, or finish food in the oven, all without reaching for another pan. It's also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used on an induction stovetop. Some reviewers have had issues with food sticking to the surface within a few uses. This is also available in 10-inch and 12-inch versions. Number 4, Ozeri Green Earth Frying Pan. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and non-stick egg pan, the 10-inch Ozeri Green Pan is a great option. Featuring a poppy green hue, an anodized aluminium core, and a ceramic non-stick layer of coating, this pan is entirely free of PTFE, FA, PFCs, and NMP.1234. The honeycomb textured frying surface allows for even distribution of heat by creating small air pockets underneath the food, and it's induction stovetop safe. Our home tester used this on a gas stove, and it heated evenly with the Bakelite handle staying cool, especially when cooking up a dozen eggs. And because of the hardened scratch-resistant coating, cleaning is a breeze. If you'll be using this for single skillet meals, our reviewer recommends getting the 12-inch version. Number 5, Made in Cookware -8 inches Non-Stick Frying Pan. If you're into lazy weekend mornings, brunch, and a bunch of your favorite people, you'll need a pan that can handle a large batch of cooking. Enter the Made in Non-Stick Frying Pan, a versatile pan with a wide flat base and low profile that can handle fried eggs, hash browns, or sautéed vegetables with equal ease. Available as an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch pan. The durable and heavy-duty stainless steel skillet has a proprietary coating, with absolutely no that's seriously slippery for effortless food release. 5. It also delivers heat evenly throughout, so you can use the pan for any number of cooking tasks, including searing fish or other proteins, too. And, no matter what you're cooking, since it's oven safe up to 500 degrees, you can leave the pan in the oven to keep your food warm or to finish cooking. One of the only issues is this is slightly heavy for a pan. Number 6. TECHEF Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette Pan, Egg Pan Skillet. This Japanese-style egg pan is perfect for the adventurous cook in your life. Although you can use any pan to make Tamagoyaki, Japanese omelette, this chef pan makes the process easy and tidy. It's made with faux-free non-stick coating and is induction compatible. 2 Tamagoyaki frying pans are typically smaller in size to allow you to tilt the pan as you roll the layer of cooked egg into a cylindrical shape, and this pan's small rectangular shape also allows for easy flipping of omelettes and pancakes. The shape is also perfect for longer slices of bread when making French toast or grilled cheese.